How to get void check online Bank of America. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The steps are simple, so let's get started. First of all, open any of your preferred browser and type in www.bankofamerica.com. Tap on the first link to go to Bank of America website. Then after you have to log in. This should be on the top right corner of your page. Either you can log in through the website or using the mobile app. Once you have logged in, you have to navigate to your checking account. This is where you want your void check to be generated. This should be services section on your account page, from where you can click on more services. Now there you should see a section which says how do I. From there select on the direct deposit. Scroll down the page, enter the necessary details such as percentage and the employer or payment issuer name. Once you have filled the details, click on download the PDF. Now this will open the PDF document with the information needed to find your void check. Scroll down in the PDF and you will see your actual check with the void written on it. You can now print this document and save it. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.